Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss important current affairs for CDS2 2020. As we all know that only 2 months are left for the final exam, and at this point of time it's very important for you to study smartly and cover important topics which can actually fetch you marks in the exam. The time has gone when you can actually pick up bulky books and prepare, and now only planned revisions is all you need. Here in this course, you get all NCERTs and standard books covered and all relevant current affairs as well. This course guarantees you 40 plus marks in GS, which is all you need to clear CDS2 2020. So now we'll start with the important current affairs. The first question is, consider the following statements. तो इंटरनेशनल सोलर अलायंस के बारे में कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स दी है. We have to consider those statements and we have to tell that which statements are correct. First statement is, the International Solar Alliance is an alliance of more than 167 countries. तो ये जो statement है ये बिल्कुल गलत है. Actual में International Solar Alliance as on 30th July 2020, 87 countries have signed the framework agreement of the ISA, and of these 67 have deposited their instruments for ratification. तो ये जो पहली statement है ये बिल्कुल गलत है. 167 countries इसकी alliance में नहीं है. Second statement is, all members of the United Nations can join the International Solar Alliance. This statement is actually correct. All members of the United Nations can actually join the International Solar Alliance under the recently amended ISA Framework Agreement. Third statement is, ISA has set a target of 100 terawatt of solar energy by 2030. So this statement is also wrong because the original target that ISA has set up is of 1 terawatt solar energy by 2030. And we have to see which of the given above statement is or are correct. तो हमारा जो आंसर हो जाता है वो हो जाता है B, second only. The first and third statements are actually wrong about International Solar Alliance and second statement is correct. Next question is, Narcotics Control Bureau is the apex coordinating agency under the options A, Ministry of Finance, B, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, C, Ministry of Corporate Affairs and D, Ministry of Home Affairs. तो इसका जो सही आंसर है वो है D, Ministry of Home Affairs. Narcotics Control Bureau is the apex coordinating agency under the Ministry of Home Affairs, and it was constituted by the Government of India in 1986 under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985. Next question is, the expression green term ahead market GTAM is sometimes mentioned in media in reference to. तो अभी recently GTAM बहुत न्यूज़ में था, तो हमें ये बताना है it is related to what. Our options are A, socially responsible investing, B, scientific solar responsibility, C, sustainable development mechanism and D, none of the above. तो इसका जो आंसर है वो है D, none of the above, because GTAM, Green Term Ahead Market in Electricity, launched as a first step towards greening the India short-term power market. GTAM is an alternative new model introduced for selling off the power by the renewable developers in the open market without getting into long-term PPAs. Next question is, consider the following statements about Pangong Tso Lake. तो हमें Pangong Tso Lake के बारे में statements दी हुई है और हमें इसमें जो non correct statements हैं वो देखनी है. First is, it is a freshwater lake. ये incorrect statement है. It is not a freshwater lake. It is actually a saltwater lake. Second is, it was listed under the Montrex record. ये statement भी बिल्कुल गलत है because the lake is in the process of being identified under the Ramsar Convention as a wetland of international importance. The third statement is, it is a part of Indus Water Basin. This statement is also wrong. It is not a part of Indus River Basin area. So इसका जो आंसर है वो हो जाता है D. All these statements are incorrect about the Pangong Tso Lake. Next question is, National Initiative for Developing and Harnessing Innovations Nidhi program is an initiative of. Options are A, Department of Biotechnology, B, Department of Space, C, Department of Science and Technology, D, Department of Atomic Energy. तो निधि जो प्रोग्राम है वो किस डिपार्टमेंट का इनिशिएटिव है? इसका आंसर हो जाता है सी, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी एक्चुअली लॉन्च्ड अ निधि program, national initiative for developing and harnessing innovations, under which programs for setting up of incubators, seed fund, accelerators and proof of concept grant for innovators and entrepreneurs have been launched. Next question is, the Gaza Strip is a self-governing territory of. Options are A, Israel, B, Jordan, C, Lebanon, D, Palestine. So the correct answer is D, Palestine. The Gaza Strip is a self-governing territory of Palestine. Actually, Hamas is a Palestine Islamist political organization, and it seeks to replace Israel with a Palestinian state. And it only governs Gaza independently of the Palestinian Authority. Next question is, consider the following statements. First statement is, Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana PMBJP is a campaign launched by the Department of Pharmaceuticals to provide quality medicines at affordable prices for all. तो ये स्टेटमेंट बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. ये जो कैंपेन है PMBJP, इट इज़ लॉन्च्ड बाय डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल्स टू प्रोवाइड क्वालिटी मेडिसिन्स एट अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस फॉर ऑल. Second statement is, Bureau of Pharma PSUs of India BPPI is the implementing agency of PMBJP. This statement is also correct. So जो आंसर हो जाता है वो हो जाता है C, both 1 and 2. Both the statements regarding PMBJP is absolutely correct. Next question is, Global Innovation Index GII has been published by which of the following? तो हमें ये बताना है कि GII एक्चुअली कौन पब्लिश करता है. ये जो इंडेक्स है इसका 13th एडिशन अभी रिसेंटली रिलीज हुआ था. तो हमारे ऑप्शंस हैं A, वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम, B, वर्ल्ड बैंक ग्रुप, C, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड D, वर्ल्ड इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो इसका जो सही आंसर है वो है D, वर्ल्ड इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. GII जो इंडेक्स है उसको लॉन्च कौन करता है? वर्ल्ड इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Next question is, with reference to New Development Bank, that is NDB, consider the following statements. तो हमें NDB के रिगार्ड में स्टेटमेंट्स देखनी है. First statement is, it is the multilateral development bank operated by the BRICS state. So this statement is absolutely correct about NDB. Second statement is, it was agreed to by BRICS leaders at the 5th BRICS summit held in Durban, South Africa in 2013. ये statement भी बिल्कुल ठीक है. The New Development Bank was agreed by the BRICS leader at the 5th BRICS summit held in Durban, South Africa in 2013. Next statement is, the bank will be headquartered in Beijing, China. तो ये statement बिल्कुल गलत है. The bank has its headquarter in Shanghai, China. It is not Beijing, China. तो इसका जो सही आंसर हो जाता है वो हो जाता है B, 1 and 2. The third statement is wrong. It has its headquarter in Shanghai, China, not in Beijing. Next question is, third generation biofuels are biofuel derived from 1, algae, 2, food crop and 3, methane. एंड वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर. तो जो थर्ड जनरेशन बायोफ्यूल है वो एक्चुअली डिराइव होता है सिर्फ एल्गे से. सो इट्स आंसर बिकम्स 1 ओनली. द थर्ड जनरेशन बायोफ्यूल्स आर बायोफ्यूल विच आर एक्चुअली डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम एल्गे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नेशनल पार्क्स आर लोकेटेड इन असम? फर्स्ट, मानस नेशनल पार्क. सेकेंड, नमेरी नेशनल पार्क. थर्ड, डिब्रू साइखोवा नेशनल पार्क. एंड फोर्थ, ओरंग नेशनल पार्क. एंड वी हैव टू टेल कि इन चारों में से कौन कौन से नेशनल पार्क असम में हैं. तो इसका जो आंसर है वो हो जाता है डी, बिकॉज ये चारों के चारों जो नेशनल पार्क है, मानस, नमेरी, डिब्रू साइखोवा एंड ओरंग, चारों के चारों आर लोकेटेड इन असम. Consider the following statements about North Atlantic Treaty Organization. तो NATO नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ट्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में हमें स्टेटमेंट्स देखनी है और हमें ये बताना है कि विच ऑफ देम आर करेक्ट. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज, इट इज एन इंटरगवर्नमेंटल मिलिट्री अलायंस कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ मोर देन 50 इंडिपेंडेंट मेंबर कंट्रीज. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज एक्चुअली रॉन्ग because it is an intergovernmental military alliance consisting of 30 independent member countries. It consists 30 independent member countries. Second statement is that it was established by Treaty of Vienna. This statement is also wrong because this North Atlantic Treaty Organization was established by Washington Treaty on 4th April 1949. So इसका जो आंसर है वो हो जाता है D. Neither one nor two are correct regarding North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Next question is fourth edition of Business Reform Action Plan, that is BRAP, ranking of states announced recently by. Our options are A. Niti Aayog, B. Reserve Bank of India, C. Department of Industrial Promotion and Internal Trade, and fourth is Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. तो इसका जो सही आंसर है fourth edition of BRAP was recently announced by Department of Industrial Promotion and Internal Trade. The next question is that Dead Sea lies between. Our options are A. Israel and Egypt, B. Israel and Jordan, C. Syria and Jordan, and D. Syria and Lebanon. तो इसका जो सही आंसर है वो है B. Israel and Jordan. Dead Sea is a salt lake which actually lies between Israel and Jordan.